Perfect physics. Let's do it. Well, in this part of the rigid body tutorial, like in all our videos, we go to the physics and rigid body section and activate it. We set the object we want to work with to active mode and the background to passive mode. And I'll go to the friction and bouncy section. Friction actually determines the speed of our object. The higher the friction, the greater the resistance of our object to movement. That is, if we want our speed to increase, we need to reduce the friction. This scale is also in our passive object, and these two directly affect each other. Bouncy is also related to the amount of our object rising and falling. The higher this bouncy is, the more our object bounces and bounces higher and goes up and down. That is, I reduced it here. You can see that there is no bounce at all, and like friction, this scale also has a direct effect on our passive object, and the two work together. So that's how friction and bouncy work in Blender's rigid body system. If you're enjoying the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to follow the rest of the series. I'll see you in the next video.